Hi, folks. So I made a recording earlier today. Um, this number was reported on a little scammer website, and it was reported as a auto car parts site or phone number that you order the parts and pay for the parts, and you don't get your parts. I'm not sure if that's true or not, so I can't say if it's a scam or not. But I made a couple calls to them. Didn't seem like they really knew about car parts at all. I just made up a bunch of stuff, parts that I needed to order, and you'll see what goes on. It basically just ends up to be nothing. But anyways, it's kind of a funny call. So I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers in the last month or two here, and thank you for everybody that's coming on board. I hope I have some good content for you. I hope. It's been kind of slow lately because I've been busy with my regular job, and it's been taking up most of my time. But anyways, I want to welcome everybody, and please like and subscribe.
Good for you.
Yeah, I've got a 19, or no, it's a 2020 Acura Integra.
2020, right?
Yes,
Okay, and the car's name?
I call her Jessie.
I know you called your car Desi, but your car's company's model, manufacturing model, and car's name?
Oh, it's a Integra.
And your car's model? Is it a Hyundai? Is it a Infiniti? Is it a Suzuki Jaguar? What it is?
It's an Acura.
A Honda Accord, right? Did you say?
Yes, that's good enough. It's a Honda Accord.
And the for part name, which part you're looking for?
Oh, I'm looking for the flip nut. Do you have one
You
of
are looking
those?
for?
A flip nut.
You are looking for what?
A flip nut?
Zip nut.
Yes, a flip nut.
Okay, I found your hub cap. You're looking
Okay.
for hubcap, right?
Yeah, that's good enough. Yes.
You are looking for what, sir?
Yeah, a hubcap would do.
Can you please come again?
Yes, I need a hubcap. Do you have one?
Just a moment. Be on call, please. Okay, I'm
Okay.
working on my system.
Okay.
So, sir, as you said, you are looking for the oil pan, right?
Yeah, oil pan would do. I need
Hello?
one. Yes, I need an oil pan.
Okay, so you're looking for the new brake, right?
New brakes? Yes. Yes, brakes.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, this is Alex from Sierra Auto Supplies. How may I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a part for my car.
All right. Can you help me out with the make and model, sir?
Yeah, it's a 2020 Acura Integra.
Acura Integra, right?
Yes.
And which part you need?
I need an oil pan.
Oil pan.
Yes.
And what's the size? And what's the size of your engine, sir?
Oh, 1800.
No, I'm asking the size of your engine.
1800 cc's.
Hold on. All right, give me a moment, sir.
Okay.
2020, right?
Yes.
Integra. You need the oil pan
Yes.
for the engine, right? Oil pan for the engine.
Yes. It hit a rock.
Yeah, I'm still here, sir. Give me a moment. Looking for your part.
Yeah, I hit a rock.
You hit a rock?
Yeah, I hit a rock. It knocked the oil pan right off the car.
Uh,
Oil was everywhere. I think it
you
needs a
hit
new
a
flip
rock.
nut too. I'm not sure what's going on with it. You have any flip nuts?
I'm just looking for your part only, sir. Give me a moment.
Yeah. It may need a new muffler. I don't know.
Muffler.
Yeah, muffler. And a flip nut.
No, sir. We don't have the oil pan for your Acura Integra 2020.
Oh, that's too bad. But do you have the ERG valve?
For the same car?
Yes.
What? Which part you say?
An ERG valve?
ERG valve.
Yes.
It's a EGR valve or ERG valve.
Yes.
I also got one call, three call.
Yes.
No, no, sir, I was not talking to you.
Oh, okay.
So see, I have the EGR valve, but the one which I have will be is for the 2001 Acura
Oh,
Integra.
okay. That'll work. I also need a
I
spark
don't know,
plug.
sir.
I need a spark plug too.
Spark,
Do you have a spark plug for it?
spark plug?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I have spark plug. It's just six of them.
Oh, I'll take one of those.
So we don't sell each. It comes in a set, so you have to buy the six together.
Oh, I only need four. Got
You
four
need four?
cylinders.
No.
Yeah.
So see, the one which I have, it's a packet of six. Okay, so you have to take six of them. It will
What am I
cost
gonna
you
do with the
only
other two?
$89. So sir, I don't know,
$189?
sir. Yeah, with shipping and taxes, everything. No extra charges.
That's some expensive spark plugs. Okay, I'll take those. I just don't know what to do with the other
You
two that I
take
don't
those?
need.
Okay, sir. So can you help? How you want to do the payment, sir? With debit card
Well,
or
wait a minute.
credit card?
I'm looking for. Do you have a hubcap for it? I need a hubcap.
Hubcap. Let me check.
Yes. Yes, a
So
hubcap.
you will book. You want the spark plugs, right?
Yes, the spark plugs are good. I'll take those.
All right. How many of them you need?
Oh, just one.
Just one.
Yeah, I hit a rock.
It's A written on the hubcap, right?
What?
There's A written on the hubcap.
There's 8?
A as in alpha.
Yeah?
All right, I'm sending you the picture, okay,
Okay.
of the hubcap.
Okay. Let's see if I got it here.
No, I'm sending it. Hold on, you will get
Oh.
the picture.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now check your cell phone. I guess you got the picture.
Not yet.
Check your cell phone to open your messages.
Yeah, I don't see any messages yet.
This is your number, right? It's 715-633-3029.
Yeah.
So I've sent it to you on this number, sir.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, that's right.
Check
That's
out
right.
the picture.
That's correct.
Okay, so can you help me out with the card then? It will cost you only $35, sir. So in total, how much is it? Let me calculate. Okay,
How much is it?
so let me calculate the total price.
Oh,
Hold on.
okay. Okay.
It will cost you $124. I'm giving you a discount of $4. Make it 120.
Okay. I'll
All right.
take that. I need a lug
Okay.
nut too. I broke a lug nut. You have any lug
Which part?
nuts? A lug nut?
Lug nuts.
Yeah, a lug nut.
Hold on.
Okay.
Lug nuts, right?
Yes.
Okay, and so I got a pot, but it comes in a set of four.
I only need one.
You need only one.
Yeah. I only broke one.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with the other three.
So you have to take it the pack of four. We don't have a single one.
Okay, I'll take the four then.
Oh, well, then four of them will cost you $48. So in total, it costs 168.
Okay.
So how you want to pay? Do the payment, so with your credit card or your debit card?
Well, let's see. I also need some paint. You have
What?
some paint for the
Paint.
car? Yeah, paint.
Paint
And-
for the car.
yes,
Okay, hold on.
paint for the car.
Mm. Hold on, let me check. You need the paint, right?
Yeah, paint.
Paint the car?
Yes, I'm gonna paint the car. I hit a rock.
Alright. You hit a rock? How did you hit a rock, sir? And which color you need?
What?
I said which color paint you need?
Oh, white.
Red.
Well, no, it's
white?
not red. It's white. No,
White.
I don't want to change its color. I mean, it's a white car.
All white car paint.
Yes.
Okay, so I got the paint. Let me check the price. It will cost you $180 for the paint. It's in a white color. You will get a brand new kit of white colors. You will
Will it
get a
paint the whole
spray,
car?
and huh? It's a
Will it
car
paint the
auto
whole car?
paint, so it's a, yeah, I think so.
Okay.
It's a see, this is a super gloss white gal acrylic enamel car auto paint kit. Okay.
Okay, as long as it's enough to paint the car. I need to paint the whole car.
Okay, so how much is costing you? 180 plus 168.
Yeah.
180 plus 1.
Okay.
And do you need anything else?
Yeah, I need the hood emblem.
Wood emblem. We don't have that part.
You don't have the little Integra Acura symbol?
Which part?
The little Integra symbol for the Acura.
Oh, Integra symbol. You need the symbol.
Well, yeah, no, I need the Acura symbol thing. You have one of those?
Where does it fit? Where does
right in
it fit?
front.
Can you tell me?
It's right in the front of the car. When I hit the rock, it fell off. I don't know where it went.
Okay. How badly you hit a rock, sir? How badly you hit a rock? Huh?
Pretty darn badly. It's really bad.
It's really bad. It's for the front or the rear, sir? The Integra symbol?
For the front?
Yeah, for the front or the back? The Integra symbol you need?
For the front.
Acura symbol? For the front.
Yes, the front.
Okay, I got that part too, sir. We have that part.
How much does that cost?
$65 with everything, sir. So you tell me you want to book the part. 348 plus 65. It becomes
Okay.
413. 413. So now tell me, sir, you want to book the part, all the parts?
Yeah, I need one more part.
This is the last part you need.
No, I need one more.
All right, tell me what's the part?
I need a steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
Yes. When I hit the rock, the steering wheel fell off. Do you have a steering wheel for it?
I'm checking, sir.
Okay. Yeah, the rock knocked the steering wheel right off. It almost hit me. Boy, it sure is noisy there.
Yes, sir. Because my colleagues are speaking with their customers. That's why.
No.
No, sir. We don't have the matching steering wheel for your car.
Do you have
We
a?
don't
Does
have
it
the
match?
2020. No. So the steering wheel we have will not fit in your car. So there is no point to buy that.
Oh, jeez. What am I gonna do to steer the car? I don't know. Oh my gosh. All right.
So you want to book the other parts?
Yeah.
$413.
Yeah. Let's get the other parts.
Okay, so just help me out with your card number then.
All right. Hold on a second. Let me get my card out here.
Okay.
Okay, I got a card here.
Yes, tell me the card number.
Oh, it's 4268.
Hold on. Go slow, sir. 4268.
Yeah, 4567
4567
8712
8712
2783.
2783. And what's the expiry date?
October of 2024.
October 2024.
Yes.
And what's the CVV number?
986.
986.
Yes.
And so, and what will be the name on the card, sir?
Oh, Alan
Hello?
Wrench.
Can you spell that? A-L-E-N, Alan?
Yeah, ALLENWRENCH.
W-R-E-N-C-H, Alan Wrench.
Yes.
Okay, and what will be your shipping and billing address, sir?
Oh, 573 Broome Street.
Can you spell that? Broome Street?
Oh, it's BROOME.
B-R-O-O-N-E, Broome Street.
Yes.
After that?
Yeah.
And what's the zip code? Tell me a zip code.
Oh, 10013.
10013. Hold on, let me check your address once.
Okay.
All right.
Right?
It's a Broome Street.
Yes.
It's in New York.
Yes.
What's the state or city?
New York. New York.
Is it Lower Manhattan?
Yes.
So your zip code is 10013.
Yes.
It's 5073, right?
Yes.
But I'm not getting your address in Google, so can you please tell me from the beginning and properly, like it's a 5073 Broome Street, which state it is?
New
New York,
York.
right?
Yeah, New York. 573 Broome
And
Street.
573
Broome.
or it's a 573 or 5073?
No, 573.
Oh, it's a 573. All right, I got the address. That's why I was not getting the address. I wrote 5073.
Oh, no wonder. Okay, that's good.
Okay, so this will be your shipping and billing both.
Yes.
Okay, and may I have your email ID?
Yes, Alan Wrench 198 at gmail.com.
Allenwich 198 198.
Yeah.
Winch 198 at gmail.com. Okay, so I'm spelling it to you, right? Your name spells like Allen, Allen Wrench, Wrench.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so I'm confirming your card number once again. It's 4268456787122783,
Yeah, that's right.
and the expiry date will be 10/24.
Yes.
CVV 986.
Yep. That's it.
Okay, so I got all your information. All right, you will get one more thing you need to do is I'm sending you the pictures of your parts. Okay, you check out the pictures and leave a message that yes, this is the part, and I authorize the payment of $413. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so just give me a minute, sir. You need the lug nuts, right? And
Yes.
the symbol,
And the steering wheel.
hubcap. We don't have the steering wheels. I told you, right?
Oh. Well, I thought you had
We don't
that.
have the steering wheel. No, we don't have that. We have the spark plug.
Okay.
Hello. So if we got the steering wheel right, we will give you a call. All right.
Yeah, okay. Call me when he comes in.
Okay. So hold on. You stay connected. Let me do the workforce. Let me confirm the payment.
Okay.
I'm sending you the spark plug pictures also. And you need the paint, right? The car paint.
Yes. Yes. Okay, I got it. Yeah, it looks good.
Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
I'm sending you more pictures. All right, sir. Did you receive all the pictures, right? So right now,
Yes.
what you need to do is you need to reply on the text. Yes, this is the parts, and I authorize the payment of $413.
Okay.
Okay, just text it to me right now, so that I can start booking your parts and we'll ship the parts.
Okay, I sent it.
And sir, do you have the VIN number of your car?
No.
You don't have the VIN number.
No.
Yeah, we don't have the part available, sir. If you can give me the part number, see. We don't have.
So are you writing the text or what?
No, I sent it.
But I haven't received any message. So you got the picture, right? You need
Yeah,
to
I got it.
text it below the picture on my number from which I text you. I
Yeah, I
haven't
sent
received
it.
any text, sir. But I haven't received any text from you.
I sent it. I'll send it again.
All right. What you need to write is, yes, this is the part. I authorize the payment of $413.
Okay.
All right.
All right. All right. We're all done then. Thank you.
Did you got the? Did you did it? Did you got the message?
Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I got it.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I haven't received any message from you. At which number you text to? Can you tell me the number?
Yeah, the number that I called from.
No, not on that number. So you need to text me on the number from which I send you the pictures.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you were texting on the wrong number.
Oh.
This is just a calling number, sir. And then
Oh.
from which I send you the picture, that's my personal number. So whenever you call on that number, you will find got.
Okay.
Or else I'm texting you the picture, all right? Texting you
Okay.
my number. I'm texting you my number. You can text me on that number.
Okay.
All right?
All right. Thank
See,
you.
did you just text it to me? Then you can hang up, sir.
Okay.
All right, just text. Yes, this is the part. I authorize the payment of $413. Did you got my number?
Yeah.
All right. So just
All right.
text
Thank
it.
you. Thank you. Bye-bye.